Hello everybody, welcome back to Crystals Collectibles Super Geek Life. Today I'll be sharing with you an opening of this Animal Crossing's New Horizons culturefly box. It kind of shows you what is inside on the side right here. You get a hat, a journal, a cup, a ice cube tray, and coasters. And as you can see, it shows the cup right up front with Timmy and Tommy. I'll show you what's inside. I like the side of this thing. It has all the major characters. Timmy, Tommy, KK, Blathers, Isabel, and Tom Nook. On the other side just shows the same thing. The back is nothing special, it just has acorns and leaves. And the back just shows it's built by culturefly. Put it to the side and show you guys one at a time what you get. Start off with the coasters. Silicone coasters. You get a set of 2. You get an acorn and a leaf. I didn't pre-open any of this stuff, just the box, so it's easy to get into. One second. There we go. Let's see how they look like. Got the leaf right here. It's got Animal Crossing New Horizons on the back with a bunch of codes and built by culturefly. These feel really soft, really cool. And here's the acorn. And it has the same stuff on the back. Codes and dates and everything like that. Those back in the box so they don't get wrecked. You get a hat with Tom Nook on it. It's one of those clip back hats. Or sports hats, I don't know what they're called. Got the leaf on the tag, and on the back the same thing, official Nintendo item, built by culturefly, with the dates and the New Horizons logo. Pretty cool. I'll add this to my hat collection. I got a gaming hat collection going on, so I'll add that to the collection. You also get a silicone ice cube tray. BPA free. Once frozen, turn tray over and gently press on mold to release it. So you get a bunch of different designs. Official Nintendo logo again, culturefly. Take the tag off and see what. Can I take it off without wrecking it? No, I don't think I can, so. Okay. As you can see, Oh, On the back it's easier to see. You get a bell bag, an acorn, a leaf, the lighthouse, the tree, and the house mold. And you put water or juice in here and you make ice cubes. You can make juice popsicles this way too. You pour the juice in here with a toothpick and it'll be in the shapes of the designs, which is really cool. Next you get a journal, official by Nintendo and Culturefly. It's 80 lined pages, which is pretty good. And I got this for $30, so everything you see here is $30 with the box. Which I'm not going to keep the box, it's nothing too special, so. But get a bunch of the animals with the villagers. Really cool. You get Rod. Want to say Molly? I haven't gotten the game yet because I'm waiting to do it with the DLC. But I think it's Rod, Molly, Timmy and Tommy, Isabel, Maple. I don't know her name. Tom Nook, KK, Blathers. I know she has a cute name, I just can't think of it. And a hamster. I really gotta get back into the Animal Crossing game. I was gonna reset my new Leaf game and have that too. This is the pages look like. It has Animal Crossing on the side, and it's just a lined journal paper. So you can write in it, you can draw in it, whatever you want to do. I'll probably use this as a mini drawing pad. But it's really cool. I don't really need a journal because if I do anything like that, it would be... I usually do it on Google Docs, so I use items like this as mini drawing pads. Or to keep like, you can keep game notes in it, whatever you want to do. That's that. And last but not least is the cup. Got Timmy right here in his Hawaiian shirt, which is really cute. And you got Tommy with the leaf Hawaiian shirt and his little leaf flag, which is really adorable. On the bottom, it's just got the Animal Crossing logo with the dates and culturefly again. But this is a really cute looking glass. I might use this for juice and water. I don't think I'm gonna put soda in here because I don't want it to get sticky, but I'll probably use it for a Gatorade at night, which is fun. Can have this by my bed. Really cute looking glass. So in conclusion, you get a glass, which is really cool. It's really sturdy. It's real glass too, so be careful with this. Especially if you're getting this for a kid, be careful that the kid is old enough to use glasses so you don't break it. You get an 80-page Animal Crossing journal, which is really adorable. Especially with all the characters on it. You get a silicone ice cube tray, which you can use for juices and stuff. Juice pops, which I know a lot of people do. You can have designed juice pops instead of just regular ones. You get a two silicone coasters, the leaf and the acorn, and a Tom Nook sports hat, which you can resize for, I don't know if it's one size fits all, but I know you can resize it for kids and adults, which is really neat. Put that on my stand after the video, but really cool. And inside the box is just nothing. It's plain. It just has leaf and acorns on the side. Nothing in the box. No like special design throughout the box. Just on the outside. Again, I don't think I'm going to keep this box, but that's what it looks like. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for everyone who stays till the end. More videos are coming soon. Please stay safe out there. I love each and every one of you. Stay safe and have an amazing day.